Welcome inside one of the most advanced electronics manufacturing environments in the world. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore exactly how an iPhone is made, from raw materials to the finished product in your hand. Every step you're about to see combines cutting-edge robotics, precision engineering, and human expertise working together in perfect harmony. Let's begin the journey. The process starts with carefully selected raw materials. High-grade aluminum arrives in solid blocks, ready to be shaped into the iconic iPhone frame. Sheets of ultra-clear glass are delivered for display production, engineered for both strength and clarity. At the same time, thousands of tiny components, including microchips, sensors, and connectors, are transported into the facility. Each component is inspected with extreme precision. Even the smallest imperfection can affect performance, so advanced scanning systems and trained technicians carefully examine every part. Microchips are measured down to microscopic levels, while batteries and internal components are sorted and prepared for assembly. This stage ensures that only the highest quality materials move forward into production. Now, the real transformation begins. Inside highly automated stations, circuit boards are assembled using surface mount technology. Tiny components are placed onto boards with incredible accuracy, faster than the human eye can follow. Robotic arms handle delicate operations like soldering, where components are fused together to create powerful computing systems. At the same time, technicians monitor every detail from control rooms filled with digital displays. Temperature, alignment, and electrical performance are constantly tracked to ensure flawless results. Each circuit board becomes the brain of the iPhone, responsible for speed, efficiency, and functionality. From here, the boards move seamlessly along automated lines toward the next phase of production. One of the most fascinating steps is the strengthening of the glass. Through a process called ion exchange, the glass is treated at high temperatures, making it significantly more resistant to scratches and impact. This is what gives the iPhone its durability while maintaining a sleek design. Meanwhile, the aluminum frame is precisely machined and polished to perfection. Robotic systems then begin assembling the core structure of the iPhone. Chips are aligned, cameras are installed, and internal components are carefully secured into place. Every movement is calculated, every placement exact. The camera module, one of the most advanced parts of the device, is positioned with extreme accuracy to ensure perfect image capture. At this stage, the iPhone begins to take its recognizable shape. Now comes the final assembly. Displays are attached to the body with precision alignment tools, ensuring seamless integration. Batteries are inserted, connectors are secured, and the device is powered on for the very first time. This is a critical moment, the transition from components to a fully functional smartphone. The iconic logo is then added through a laser etching process, giving each device its signature identity. Protective layers are applied, and the phone is carefully cleaned to remove even the smallest particle of dust. Next, the packaging process begins. Boxes are folded, accessories are added, and each iPhone is placed into its packaging with precision and care. Everything is designed not just for protection, but also for the premium unboxing experience users expect. Before any iPhone leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing. Specialized equipment checks the display, touch sensitivity, camera performance, and internal sensors. Every button, every feature, every function is tested to meet strict quality standards. Only devices that pass all tests are approved for shipment. Once ready, the packaged iPhones are loaded onto transport systems and prepared for global distribution. From here, they travel across the world, reaching stores and customers everywhere. From raw materials to a finished product, the journey of an iPhone is a remarkable combination of innovation, precision, and design excellence. Every device represents thousands of carefully executed steps and an incredible level of engineering detail. And that's how the iPhone is made, from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory stories and process documentaries.